In order to use the RNG signups command for an event, first of all, please wait for the sign-up deadline of the event to pass so that everyone has a chance to sign up. Then you'll want to get the event ID once again, either from the announcement or from this, and you'll do RNG signups, and then put in the event ID. And after doing that, there is a bunch of different options. So the first option is the size, and that would be the amount of signups to include inside of the RNG pool. Since the bot is designed for pugs, the default is 22, but let's say that you've signed up for your event and a bunch of others have, and you're trying to do a 12v12, then you would set this to 24. The priority role option is once again optional, and let's say that, for example, with pugs, you want to be able to put prospects in first. Well, this would be how you do it. However, for regular PPMs, that's less of a concern. Results channel would be the channel that you want to send the results of the RNG to, so that you can inform all the players whether they got in or not. So I'll set this to announcements. And then do priority. This processes priority. Now, for the pug server, this is enabled by default, and for PPMs, this is false by default. But you can set this to whatever value you like. Only players that have registered will be able to will be able to have priority. And if you set do priority to true and someone for an event is unregistered, then they will be put last on the list of people that get in, and as a result they probably won't get into the event. So for pugs, make sure this is true, which it is by default, and for PPMs, make sure this is false, which it is by default. So in this case, because I set the results embed to announcements, it has now sent a message in announcements. So here we go, here are the results. In this case, because the event only had me on playing, then I'm the only one that got in, but obviously with a larger event there'll be some people that got RNG'd out as well.